Back at one of our Burlington projects. We're just going to give you a quick update from where we were up to where we are now. Last time we were here, we talked about these windows being raised and installed. The new fireplace is in, ready to go for tile. This is now the new family room, which was a family room and kitchen prior to us getting here. So we've moved all the rough-ins since we've been here last, and this space is now ready for a kitchen. In this return wall, there's a column for the beam and 3-inch drain, and we've replaced the window. It's been shortened, so it's a little higher and ready for a kitchen countertop height. All the electrical and plumbing rough-ins are done. Gas is in, flooring goes in next, and then we're ready to go. We talked about opening the stairs the last time we were here. So in process right now is the new stairs going in. In this particular case, we have 2 sets of new stairs. In some instances, we reclad the stairs with oak caps, but here we're replacing the stairs. So we have a new set of stairs for the basement, which have been extended further to lessen the turn. And the stairs from the main floor to the second floor, we've created 2 landings and taken out the turn completely, the gradual turn. So they go up 1 set and then turn 2 90-degree turns to make it to the top. Super exciting, ready to go for finishes.